Welcome to Blender Basics. My name is Natalie, and today we're going to be going over the shrink wrap modifier. Alright, so a quick setup for the shrink wrap modifier. Go ahead and shrink your cube down. Click that transform tool on. Scale it up. Alright. Now, you're going to make another cube. S to scale it up. Bring that around the first cube. Now, pop into modeling mode or edit mode. Click select by faces. Click the bottom face, the top face, and delete only the faces. Should look something like that. Now, go over to the side menu, go to modifiers, add modifier, add modifier, deform, shrink wrap onto your cube. And then after that, go ahead and set it to your heart's content. Make it look exactly how you envision it in your head. And that's just a simple how-to for the shrink wrap modifier. Hope this helps.